there is no noise of your children or from your neighborhood and they are playing learning with fun. Imagine if you are the teacher of this field in a school and they are learning with fun without making noise. So Shah, we have made this imagination in reality as we have come up with an excellent product visual file. So Shah, my name is Darwin, he is Midrapur, he is Dev and he is Manan. Our company name is Artingo, the future. Our target market is age group of 12 plus. We are manufacturer company. Our vision is to provide basic to advanced knowledge of robotics. So the main, as it is, the robotics is the future and the current trend of the new generation. Then second is that they are very expensive and they are the customer is not able to test that this product is good or bad. So and these are the points which we have also faced this. So we have compared our product with two kits. First is mechanics kit. They are means advanced kit 6165, and this is the Blix kit. The advanced kit 14,999, second 34,999, and third 19,999.
So, as you know that we are in the sector of entertainment and games, so we have made this product robotics kit. We are making a robotic kit in a cheaper rate, and also we are providing good quality kits. So, in our kit, there will be a manual book which will include some challenges. So, we have listed five basic challenges for the children. So, in this, as I told you that we will be giving a manual kit. So, the manual kit will just guide children so what to do or how to do, and if any case the children don't understand, so in a manual book we have provided basically a scan code, a QR code. So when the child just scan the code, will be on our website. On that we have made videos. By this he can easily understand our product.
Market second. So our first point is cheaper rate. So as our product is of 2,777, as compared to the other companies, they are very costly. Second, we are helping the schools to set up that. Means there are two advantages of that. First, we will be selling our product, and second, we will be marketing our product to all the students. Third point, we will be making account on YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram. Fourth, we will be making our websites and we will be posting the products on it. Means we will, if the customer has to buy another separate component, we will. There are components, individual components in that, and we will have a feedback section so they can tell the feedbacks, and according to that we can change it. And third, we sell it on online like Amazon or Flipkart. That's it.
Total fund requirement is 18,51,500 rupees. Total sales 27,77,250 rupees. Total profit is 9,25,750 rupees. We are in machines. We are taking laptops, three laptops for including codes in USB pin, and the rent of our uh, warehouse is 72,000, and total fixed cost is 4,85,000.
Then our variable cost is 1,100. So in that we will be providing our material, and it is cheaper because we are buying whole bulk, so that it will be cheaper. Then labor cost is 25. So they are unskilled labor, so we will be helping them to how to do that. Then our total one total variable cost per unit is 1,125, and our total variable cost is 11 lakh 25,000. Then our manufacturing cost is 16 lakh 10,000, and we will be selling our product in 100 and 4 100 1,852, we will be earning 50% of profit of 926 rupees, and we will be selling on to 2,000, 2,777, and our MRP is 2,999. And in this is the cheapest one prevailing in the market. Our vision is to provide every children a basic and to advanced skill. And this is our official kit, and for it is of 12 plus age, and the teenagers which are the children which are 10 years below, they can use our basic kits. Means in that there will no code, so they can make project. And if there are five projects in the manual, if they want more project, so they can visit our website, and on the kit option there are many.
Yes. Your competitors, you said, is around 14,000 something, even higher. How are you able to do it for so much less? What are you using to make it less?
Like in India, the cost of like Arduino is it is the main thing for making a robotic kit. It is of 500 rupees, and we are taking from like buying from like foreign countries. It is 100 rupees. So that's how we are getting this price less.
And means there are products which are cheaper, but the awareness is not spread and they want profit. So as we are the startup company, so we have less, we have to make a reputation of our company, and then we will be increasing. Example, Geo, when the first came, the plan was very low, and they yes,
So you want to compete with the big boys.
yes,
Good. How much are you selling for?
2,777.
2,000.
And our MRP will be 2,999.
How many do you think you will sell?
1,000. It's 1,000.
1,000. And how will you expand your market?
By advertisement, means we will be seeing video, we will making our channel, and then we will go to school. So in the school there are approx 500. Then so that 500 kids will be seeing our product, and they will be telling to their parents that we have to buy it as it is cheaper. The middle class family is
Like it will be grow higher because in whole world there is 1.2 billion people who are interested in this field.
teenagers.
And you're going to go one to one, you're going to go to
And-
those schools and actually show the product.
And we will be helping them to set up labs, means
That's
STEM
nice.
labs like that. And second, if offline market, we are means if the one example is the shopkeeper, so I will giving him some margin per product, and means
He's absolutely right, but I want to add on. Like we put our ads on newspapers and like YouTube. Like he had told, there is advertisement in YouTube, so we will put our advertisements and like in some magazines there are advertisement at the back, so we will advertise on there also.
and our means and you see in Balaji that they introduce the product in the product only at the back, try this, so we will be doing that also. So it will be means the cost of the advertisement will be decreased by 20.
If they had completed the whole kit, so they can go to next level, and they want to buy like product individually, so they can buy from individually by our own website, so in cheaper price and good quality.
Say I bought the kit from you. Then I recommend it to Viral Bhai.
Yes,
And on my recommendation, he buys.
yes,
So do I get something?
yes. If you are a shopkeeper,
No. I'm the last user.
okay.
I'm the last user. But I recommend it to Viral Bhai. And Viral Bhai listens to everything I say. I do. So he is buying it. But he says when he buys it, Then he got recommendation from Nilesh Bhai. So do I get anything?
No. You have seen any product that I trust him. So if he tells some that try this, so I will try. But the company doesn't give him any money. It will be difficult that if I'm marketing the product, the customers are 2,000. So I will be going to home and home like that will be difficult task.
On the simple principle, જે શું હું પાનો એ બધા પાનો.
And secondly, we will be tying with IT engineer to coding, and they will be checking the product, it is good or better and that.
So my next question is, what will be there in the package?
And so in the package, there will be some components. As I told you that there will be 5 challenges. So to complete the 5 challenges, we have mentioned all the components. So the components and the pen drive, which will include the codes, you just have to pin it in a laptop, etc. And one RDO. And the components are listed on the menu.
Q. So I saw in the previous one of the previous slides, there were like for the same company there were 3 to 4 variants. So does your package have variants, or it's just 12999 or 27777 one package? So I saw in one of the slides there were for the same company there were 3 to 4 products, like one was 6,500, 15,000, 34,000 and 20,000. Yeah. Oh, so these are different
Yes.
companies. But the first and the third is the same company, right? Because the package is same.
Yes.
Right? So do you have different packages?
We have a plant, but our main we have 2 products. So one is the age group 12 plus, and one is 12 above, and
Right.
will be
That answer. Okay, fine. And one of the lines that you used was the labor cost, which is 25%, is unscalable.
25 rupees.
The 25 rupees is unscalable. So what do you mean by that?
Means they are unskilled labor.
Oh, you said unskilled.
Yes.
Oh, okay. Fine. Thanks. So I would like to give you 2 suggestions. One, if you can have a community of these games owners, like Nilesh Bhai said, what would I get if I refer to real? So you can have a community. It could be either online or offline or both. Offline, you can meet somewhere, you can make something and share it with others, because I'm sure different people will have different ideas to make the same to solve the same problem. So this will give a collaborative effect. And the second is, if you have an online thing, so in offline you can also exchange the parts, or you can collaborate and make a bigger version of what are you going to make in a smaller scale. And in online you can have a community. You can share, the users can share the solutions with each other.
I forgot to put like that point. You attend to take a feedback. So in every month, in our website there will be our feedback. So they will put their reference, what they want really. So that
Means
we
he's
have-
trying to say that we are means we will be going in on our website. There will be a feedback section. So what they want, we will
Right.
fulfill them.
And a last suggestion, what Fevicol had done, Fevicol started from a very, very, very small scale. That guy had a problem, he was working somewhere, and the adhesive had a problem, it used to take time to get stick, and then there was a stink in the process. So he made a solution, and then how he marketed was, he called so many carpenters and he trained them, giving new ideas, new designs, and then in that process he wanted them to use this Fevicol. Now that's how the word Fevicol made a buzz, a very big buzz. And then whenever those carpenters went somewhere else, they always preferred Fevicol. So likewise, you can have these sessions, training sessions, because we will have certain ideas, but the makers, like you guys, will have a wonderful vision to accompany them, and that can be brought down to the ones who are buying it.
Thank you, sir, for giving the community.
Thank you.